Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to play Prop Hunt in Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Select Prop Hunt mode from Custom Games and choose your team fast to avoid delays. As a prop, pick objects that blend with the map and stay still when seekers approach. As a seeker, use sound, movement spotting, and grenades to reveal hiding spots. Communicate with teammates to cover areas and rotate intelligently for consistent wins. Pick props that naturally fit the environment and avoid standing in open sightlines near players or bright lighting. Use tiny, subtle motions only when it feels safe so you still look like background scenery. Change your prop choice each round and avoid repeating the same room to keep seekers guessing. If you hide near power-ups or spawn areas, be ready to move quickly when the timer allows to blend back into the map flow. Start each round by narrowing high-probability hiding zones based on map knowledge and common prop selections. Move deliberately and check suspicious areas while avoiding predictable straight lines that props can exploit. Use equipment like grenades, stun, or shock devices to force props into movement or reveal their positions. Coordinate with your team to trap suspects and cut off escape routes, then focus fire as a group for a quick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.